Looks like the water's coming through the wall. I just think that the water level had lifted. Oh yeah, we're there. We better go ahead and shut it off. We're too close. Let's just start spraying the ceiling if we get too much. I think the reason the water is coming through this wall like it was is because there was so much water under the floor. It filled up this side, started going into that side, and now that it's, you know, we're in here, it started pouring out. But our hole is obviously directly under this, just as we can tell when I start moving. Oh yeah, I can feel it spraying right there. Yep, it's right there. And it looks like it's on a valve. Yeah, there's a water valve under the floor right there, and the water valve's broke, I believe. I swear that's what that is. Unless it's a big weird union. Or a bleeder valve. Nah, it's actually a shut-off valve. So, they pretty much done what they should have never done, and they put a water valve under the floor. And that's what's actually leaking. You can see right here where it's all completely rusted is the handle. And right there, oh wow, there's a big hole in the actual line. So this has been going on for some time. You guys should notice a tremendous drop in your gas bill for this building and your water bill.